What's up, 2L fam? Welcome back to the channel with your main man, Booster Rails. Hey, I got a good one for you today. Before we get started, do me a favor, go ahead, click that like, share, and subscribe to join the 2L family. Positive motorcycle environment. We're here to support each other, uplift each other, spread knowledge, spread education, information, everything, especially for the new riders. So, can you see the difference on the bike back there? Can you see anything different? I'll give you a couple seconds. Focus. If you haven't been able to figure it out, if you notice, the rear seat is on there. The rear seat is on a bike. So typically, with the boosters, it's going to come with the rear seat. Now you have the option through Suzuki Parts to purchase the seat cowl, which is, hold on one second, let me go get that. Seat cowl right here. This is the one for my 25th anniversary. So this is the seat cowl that goes on and replaces the seat when you ride solo. And this is on 100% of the time with my bike because I always ride solo. And I like the way that looks. But what I wanted to bring you guys here today is to show you how you go from the passenger seat along with the grab bar, if you can see the grab bar. And I'm gonna take you over there closer, don't worry. But there's a grab bar on there, so you take the passenger seat off and the grab bar. Now, my previous bikes, swapping out from the seat to the cowl was as simply as, take the key, take the seat off, then just drop the cowl on in there and it snaps right in there in place. Didn't have to worry about a grab bar or anything like that, but that changes when you're talking about the Hayabusa. So now I've seen some people do modifications to where they actually cut this in order to keep that grab bar on the back. I'm not doing that. I don't care how good they say it look. There's no way in the world I'm gonna cut this just to keep that on there. It's not that serious, boss. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go on over here to the bike, guys, and I'm gonna set you up a little bit closer so you can actually see me remove the seat and put the seat cowl on there. And to put the seat back on there, you just simply do it in reverse. And it's only 4 bolts and 4 washers, essentially, that you're gonna be removing and swapping out with 4 other bolts. And you'll be good to go. Real simple, real easy, light work. It's not something you're gonna do when you're, if you're out and about, and because of course you probably wouldn't have the seat anyway. But give yourself 10 minutes if you wanna swap out. That's all I'm saying. If you wanna swap it out before you go riding, just give yourself 10 minutes. So let's you and I go on over here and get set up by the bike so we can go ahead and swap out to the seat cowl versus the second seat and the grab bar. Let's go. All right, so we're over here at the bike, and to get started, we're gonna essentially need 3 things to make this thing happen. The first thing we're gonna need is Allen wrench. Okay, this is gonna be the biggest one that comes in your tool set. Let's see if it say what size it is on here. I don't see it engraved on anywhere, but it's the biggest one that comes under your seat. If not, if you got a regular Allen set, just go through until you find out the ones that match these bolts right here. These Allen bolts, these are gonna come with your seat cowl. These are gonna come with the seat cowl. So it'll be 4 of them. I got those stuck over here. See, let me show y'all something. See, this is my magnetic. See, it's a rubber magnet, so you don't got to worry about scratching up your paint. Shout out to the guy that mentioned that when I was going and I was doing the air filter change in here. Well, I was looking at the air filter, basically showing you guys how to change it. And he's seen this, but he noticed I didn't put it on the gas tank. And shout out to him because it's a lot more convenient doing it there. So let's get back over here. So yeah, big shout out to him. Okay, so you're gonna need those 4 bolts. I got 4 bolts in here, all of them look the same. You're gonna need the biggest Allen wrench that comes with your set. And of course, you're gonna need the seat cowl. Okay. Now, if you don't have one of those for your booster right now, three ways to get one. Okay. Number one, you can negotiate when you're buying your bike. You can negotiate to have them throw it in there. That's been done many a times. They can, go ahead and put it into the total price, or you could just ask them to, hey man, I done spent, essentially $20,000 on this bike. Can you, throw in a seat cowl? And a lot of times they'll do that. Second way is if you just buy it from Suzuki Parts. It's $240, I believe. You can just buy it from Suzuki Parts. Or the third way, which doesn't cost you anything, and that's to get an anniversary edition, because the seat cowl comes standard along with the rear seat. The seat cowl comes standard with the 25th anniversary edition Hayabusa. So those are three ways of being able to get the seat cowl. So now what we're gonna do is let's go ahead and get to working. So first thing you need to do, key, right? So my key was already under there. So go in here and unlock it just like you're about to open it to get something out. And just pop it open. And once you get it back up, you can slide it to the rear. And now your seat is out. Okay? No more seat. So this right here, this is the grab bar, the famous Busa grab bar, all right? There are four bolts in here and 4 washers that you're gonna have to take off. I'm gonna zoom you in closer so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. But we're gonna take this off first. And essentially, that's like really the hardest part. So let's go ahead and get to removing those 4 bolts and get this grab bar on off of here. All right, guys, so looking under here, of course, like I said, this is the grab bar. You have bolt here, 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 and here. Then, of course, they're sitting on washers. So we're gonna take each one of those out. If I can do it with one hand so y'all can actually see. So and they're a little loose because I just actually put the seat on. So I'm loosening that one. Not gonna take them out all the way just yet. And we're gonna go to this one. I like to go in a little star pattern somewhat. Then we're gonna go over here. Get this one. And then we're gonna go loosen this one. Now see, these bolts are a lot longer than the ones that you're gonna put back in there, okay? Because these have to be able to go through here and have the distance to go through the washer. So we're gonna finish unscrewing these. Okay, that one's out. That one's out. That one's out. And the final one's out. So all we gotta do is lift. And there's your grab bar. Bolts and everything sitting in there. You dig what I'm saying? So we're gonna sit that there because we don't need those bolts. These bolts right here, they're actually a little bit longer than what we need to go back in there. So, oh, my bad. Over here to where these are the ones that we're gonna use to drop back in there. They're essentially space fillers, right? So we put one in here. Notice, don't gotta worry about the washers. One there, and one here. Get us another one. Go here. And get us our last one. And go here. And then once we got all those in there, we get our trusty Allen. I wonder why this thing don't focus like it used to back in the day. I guess it's focusing now. So now we're gonna tighten them down one by one. There. Tighten this one down. this one down. And then tighten that last one down. And then, once we tighten that last one down, we come over here to the seat cowl. And of course you see these, let's see if you can see them. Yeah, these right here. I'm going to show you. Yeah, these hooks right here. They are what's gonna go inside of there, hook in. You'll see them in there. Let me get y'all set back up. Yeah, so I'm gonna just slide it on in there. And the seat cowl is on. Yeah. Seat cowl on like it ain't never went nowhere, guys. So that's how simple it is to swap it out. I mean, like, if I'm doing it and I'm not trying to show anybody how to do it, I probably could do it in 5 minutes. You know what I'm saying? It probably less than that, but it's real simple to swap it out. Now, I do want to show you something. Yeah, so under the seat, right? Over here, you see this right here? That's a helmet hanger on that side, and that's a helmet hanger on that side. So when you have your passenger and you guys go into somewhere and you don't want to take your helmets, or you're just, out at a meet, an event, and you just want to hang the helmets on a bike, that's what these hooks are for on the inside, on each side. You got one for each. Now, you know what? I didn't look to see if there's one on the seat cowl, but why not check? And essentially there isn't. I don't see one. Yeah, I don't see one. And I don't see what would be considered one under here either. Interesting. So, Suzuki, I wonder why you didn't put one under here. It would have been pretty cool. Unless I'm missing it. No, you can't hang it there because it has to be on the side. I might be missing it, and if I am, my apologies, but I don't see one. So, but yeah, guys, that's how easy it is to go from your seat to the seat cowl, or from the seat cowl to the seat. You're just gonna do it in reverse, just that simple. So if you have any questions about the seat cowl or about the seat, feel free, drop it down in the comments below. And do me a favor, go ahead and join the Two Wheel family by hitting that subscribe button, guys. It's free. All you gotta do is hit the subscribe button, and then poof, you're magically a part of this Two Wheel family. Positive community, positive people, young, old, new riders, experienced riders. We're all here to share positive and safe information because we want to have a fun ride, an exciting ride, but also a safe ride. So until next time, it's your main man, Booster Rails. Ride safe, lock into the channel, and keep the rubber side down.